gate here. And of course I have to always show everybody our gate closer, which is this wonderful, really heavy hunk of cement that automatically closes the gate. That was my father's contribution. Works every time. So here we have our largest flight pen. It's 100 feet long. There's a little building on either end of it that has each end has 4 mews. So here we go. So like I said, this is a rehab pen. There are 2 golden eagles and 3 bald eagles. So on the ground, there's a bird on the right of that little plaque. There we go. He just went over the top. That's a 4-year-old bald eagle. The one to his right now, trying to decide if he wants to take a walk, is 3 years old. Doesn't have nearly as much white in his head. Both of these birds collided with something. This guy almost can get off the ground. He sliced the tip of one wing off, so he can't. That's as much flight as he can get. And we haven't found a facility that can take this bald eagle yet, because he's not going to be releasable, but hopefully this other guy on the ground is going to go to the Houston Zoo. We're waiting on U.S. Fish and Wildlife. Permitting of eagles is through the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. And so Region 3 is where Houston is, has to approve, as well as Region 1. So that paperwork has been started, and we're just waiting for all the I's to get dotted and the T's crossed before he can go. And then on the far end, before I get close, you notice that the one in the middle is really big. That's a female golden eagle. She's an adult. The one on the left is a male golden. He's immature, and you might be able to get a view of his tail. He has a white band across the base of his tail. The bird on the right is also a bald eagle, but it's only about a year, just a year old actually. It's kind of amazing. He came in with a coracoid fracture and his tibiotarsus, that's the leg between, the bone between your knee and your foot, your heel. There were old fractures that were partially healed, and I really didn't think he would be releasable. He's doing really well, and I think he is going to be releasable. The bird in the middle is a female golden. She was hit by a car and also broke her leg, but we've treated her for lead poisoning as well, because her lead level was about 80 micrograms per deciliter. 20 is considered toxic, and she's doing much better. Her leg was pinned by the local veterinarian, Pendleton Veterinary Clinic, and she's using her leg not quite as aggressively, or whatever you want. It works all right, and she bears weight. We obviously haven't given her a chance to hunt anything, since this is a little flight pen. Well, it's a big flight pen, but not big enough for an eagle to hunt it. But anyway, we're hoping that she's going to be released, and if she is, she's going to have a little backpack telemetry unit on her that we can monitor her with a satellite technology, so we can see how she does. We can monitor, where she goes. We'll be able to plot it on a map, and hopefully she'll do well, although I'm kind of worried about the lead, because the effects of lead are irreversible as far as affecting thinking and decision making and that sort of thing. So that's the eagles that are in the big flight pen. I won't turn it off. I'll just go around and we'll see the other two. Oh, younger guy's up on a perch. He's probably going to leave, because I have to walk towards him to get to the door. Yep. Okay, so you can see there's an open bay there. There's a sliding door we can drive the tractor through, and then there's two mews, we call them, on either side. One has a great horned owl in it, and one has a cackling goose. And both of those are in recovery.